Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variable for class 10th exercise 3.6 question number 2 part 1. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Firstly, I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables because you can ask question to me what is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question by two methods. First geometrical method, second algebraical method. Geometrical method shows three systems. First consistent system, second inconsistent system, third consistent dependent system. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line and consistent system and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line and inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solutions. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraical method. There are three types of algebraical method. First substitution method, second elimination method, third cross multiplication method. You can solve your question very easily by algebraical methods, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me, so do not forget like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. See the board. Pair of linear equation in two variable for class 10 exercise 3.6. Question number 2. Formulate the following problems. Formulate the following problems as pair of equation and hence find their solution. Question 2 part 1. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find their speed of rowing in still water and speed of current. It means you formulate given situations and solve it and find the speed of water boat and speed of water. Speed equal to distance upon time. Speed in water downstream equal to x plus y equal to distance upon time. Speed in water upstream equal to x minus y equal to distance upon time. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Form of pair of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. Clear? According to first situation, let speed of water boat equal to x km per hour. X km per hour, and speed of current or water, speed of water equal to y km per hour. Y km per hour. Speed of boat equal to x km per hour. Speed of water equal to y km per hour. Clear? According to first situation, according to question, yeah, first situation, Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours. Speed in water downstream, speed downstream equal to distance upon time. X plus y equal to 20 upon 2. Distance upon time. 20 km upon 2 hours. You can cut it. Here 2 1 ja, 2 10 ja. It become 10 km per hour. 10 km per hour. X plus y equal to 10 km per hour. Or x plus y equal to 10. Equation first. You find equation first. X plus y equal to 10. Clear? And speed upstream equal to x minus y equal to distance upon time. Here according to second situation, distance 4 km, time 2 hours. 4 km upon 2 hours. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 equal to 2 km per hour. Or x minus y equal to 2 km per hour. Equation second. It is equation second and it is equation first. Equation first and equation second is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Add speed in downstream, speed upstream. Add equation first and second. Add equation first and second. Equation first, x plus y equal to 10. It is equation first. Equation second, x minus y equal to 2. Equation second. Clear? You can cut it. Plus y minus y. And here x plus x adding. It becomes 2x equal to 10 plus 2. 12. 2 1 ja 2. 2 6 ja 12. X equal to 6 km per hour. You find x equal to 6 km per hour. Now put x equal to 6 in equation second. Put x equal to 6 in equation second. Equation second, x minus y equal to 2. It is equation second. 6 minus y equal to 2. You write y on right side and 2 on left side. It becomes 6 minus 2 equal to y. Here y with negative sign. When you write it on right side, then it becomes with positive sign. Here 2 is with positive sign. When you write it on left side of equal, then it becomes with minus sign. Clear? Now subtract it. 4 equal to y. You find y equal to 4, x equal to 6. Hence speed of boat equal to x equal to 6. X equal to 6 km per hour. Answer. It is speed of boat and speed of current equal to y equal to 4 km per hour. You solve your question and you find the value of x and the value of y. It means you find the speed of boat and the speed of current, means water. In this way you can solve any question very easily. Clear? It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Okay.